If you've been scrolling through Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube and keep getting bombarded with flashy ads for the Revoget Alignment Pillow, claiming it's the ultimate solution for back pain, spine alignment, lumbar pressure relief, better posture, arthritis comfort, sciatica prevention, and even improved blood circulation, you're not alone. These claims sound incredibly promising, especially if you're someone struggling with chronic pain or looking for sleep solutions. But is this pillow really a game changer or just another overpriced cushion wrapped in hype? In this video, we dig deep into what the Revoget Alignment Pillow actually offers and whether it lives up to the sky-high promises made in its marketing. First off, the official website paints a glowing picture of 5-star reviews, bold health benefits, media features, and a very professional look. But behind that polished surface, we found some concerning cracks. While the site is flooded with perfect testimonials, external platforms like Trustpilot and Reddit tell a different story. Many buyers complain of delayed or missing deliveries, no customer support replies, and poor quality materials that don't match the sleek images online. Even more alarming, the supposed medical endorsements and doctor-recommended tags on the site seem to feature AI-generated or stock photos with no traceable credentials or background, making the health claims feel more like marketing bait than medically proven facts. Then there's the sales pressure. They constantly push fake urgency with countdown timers, low stock alerts, and sale ends tonight banners that reset daily, which are classic signs of dropshipping tactics meant to rush customers into buying before doing proper research. On top of that, there's no verifiable scientific evidence, clinical trial, or third-party validation supporting the health benefits they promote, so you're left relying solely on unverified testimonials and clever advertising. While some users may genuinely find comfort in the product, the overall experience and credibility of the brand leave a lot of unanswered questions. This review isn't just about praising or trashing the pillow. It's about showing you the full picture so you can make an informed decision. If you're still considering a purchase, the product link is tagged in this video, but we strongly recommend watching till the end so you don't waste your money on a promise that might not align with reality.